So my workflow is I do everything on my MacBook Air M1. It's so fast. The M1 chip in it is incredible. I can edit 4K files with no issues whatsoever. And then I use a monitor or an iPad as a second screen using Sidecar. But the new iPad has just come out with the same M1 chip. Now the ultimate aim would be to be able to edit using Lumafusion on the go, or just when I'm just chilling on the sofa, just relaxing, be able to edit on the iPad would be great. We are limited with the old iPads, but now hopefully moving forward, now we've got the new hardware in this, you can edit direct off the hard drive. So I'm going to be able to do so much on this iPad and then not use the laptop as much. That would be the ultimate aim. So new iPad's arrived, let's unbox this and I'll show you all about it. So let's get it unboxed. So Apple always make their products, the experience really nice to be able to get into. So this is the 256 gig 12.9 inch iPad Pro, and what I really was excited about the most out of this was the XDR display, because I have seen the XDR display on the big iMac, but to be able to get that technology on the actual iPad, I hope I can tell the difference, because that was the biggest selling point. Anyway, let's open this box up. Listen, I know some people take ages with unboxings, and I do watch unboxings and I like them, but let's get into it because I'm excited to see what it looks like. It smells nice and new. And then in here you just get the normal instructions no one cares about. You still get the power brick and you still get the charging wire, so it's good to see that the iPads still come with the accessories. You don't have to go and buy them separately. And here we are. What an incredible iPad. That looks just phenomenal. Let's get this switched on now. So it is nice and thin, and you can't tell that that's thicker at all. I don't care if it is thicker if that display is good. You know, that display is going to make all the difference. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to just put all my details in, get to the main home screen. I'll fast forward through all that, and then we can look at that display. And you might not be able to pick up the display as much on camera. It might be something that you have to see for yourself, but this XDR display is meant to be so bright and vibrant. And then hopefully this can be my go-to. Be able to do everything on here as well will be excellent. So let's just get this all now signed up. So I'll just skip forward through all this while I get signed into this. So just while it's actually restoring from iCloud, it's going to take about another 5 minutes. So the reason why I got this is, as I've said before, I have used Lumafusion and it is a great app. It's just a bit slower than my fast workflow on Final Cut. But I have edited before, and I edited our recent London trip where we went and I filmed it all on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and then edited all on Lumafusion. And the experience, just being able to just sit and chill and just edit on here, and you can use the Apple Pencil and do it all. It's such a nice experience. But what I really didn't like about the whole Lumafusion experience was before, on the original iPad I had, which was just a 64GB 2018 iPad Pro model, because you have to store all the files on the actual iPad itself, you can't edit off the hard drive like you can on Final Cut Pro. I was forever running out of memory really fast, and for that reason I was just couldn't be bothered to use the iPad a lot because I was always running out of memory. So now on the new iPad M1s on Lumafusion, if you're using a fast hard drive, you can actually edit direct off the hard drive. So now it doesn't really matter what storage iPad you get. If you're into video editing, you can edit direct off the hard drive using Lumafusion, which is going to be fantastic. And that's the biggest stumbling block, to be fair, of why I didn't edit on here. I did all the photo editing on both, to be fair, both about the same, because Lightroom on the iPad is great, especially with the Apple Pencil. But for video editing, I didn't really use it a lot. I would absolutely love Final Cut on here. Final Cut on here will be brilliant. So this is what I'm going to be reviewing over the next few weeks, and I'm going to be comparing it to my actual workflow and my editing style, and I'm going to create some drone videos and I'm going to edit them all on Lumafusion and then show you guys how to do it as well, because right now it's probably the best editor on iPad or iOS that you can get. So you can get it on the iPad and the iPhone as well. I do have the keyboard case coming as well, it's just not arrived yet, but I am interested and I think it's curious to see what you should buy. You know, would you buy this? Would you buy the iPad M1 or would you buy the MacBook Air M1? This with the actual case is dearer than the laptop. So it has now finally done it and it does look beautiful. I'm not sure if you can make that out, but wow, that looks nice. Let's get the actual camera and I'll show you some more closer shots. So this is the home screen and everything is really nice and fluid. So this picture here is actually a sneak peek of a upcoming drone video we've got coming, and that picture there is taken on the DJI Mini 2. I'm not sure if you can see the quality of that, but oh my god, that looks so nice and vibrant. It just stands out. You can tell the difference 100%. And you know, if I look at the actual laptop screen now, it just looks so dull and poor quality. This screen is on another level. Let's try and find another example for you. So here's another shot. Just look at how bright the greens are. You know, this is here again from an upcoming shot. You can zoom in. That just looks amazing, and you can get in a full-size picture like that, and the quality of it, that's where the difference is in this screen, this new XDR screen. Let's try and get a video now and show you the difference on the actual screen quality. Them colours do look nice, you can tell the difference. If you've got the opportunity to go and see one of these in real life, this is going to be brilliant. It's really nice and bright, that picture. Awesome. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. I'm going to go into detail. I'm going to be doing some more videos showing you how to edit on iPad, so we can all do some editing together, showing you what to do and see if it's actually usable, and then compare it to the MacBook. So I hope you like that, guys. I'm going to be doing more of these videos coming up soon. I'm going to get it all set up now today, and then I'm going to be comparing this to the actual MacBook Air M1, which I edit on the most, and then we're going to see which do you actually need, and then my personal recommendation, if you can only select one of them, which one would you and should you get. So this is brilliant because you can take it with you. It's nice and thin. It's not a problem taking it in your bag. Got a nice little case on it, whereas sometimes a laptop, you know, you've got to protect it more in a bigger case to make sure it's all going to be okay. So I'm going to test this out and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it, and is it a big improvement, is it worth the money? So I'll see you all very soon, guys. I'm going to test this out and then we'll see you very soon for some more drone editing videos using the iPad. So take care, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.